Dear students, very good morning to all. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today's our offline class is about the structure of polynucleotide chain from chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Structure of polynucleotide chain. The basic unit of DNA is a nucleotide which has three components. Number one, a nitrogenous base. Number two, a pentose sugar, deoxyribose, and number three, a phosphate group. There are two types of nitrogenous bases. Number one, purines, and number two, pyrimidines. Purines, heterocyclic, nine-membered, double ring structure with N at position 1, 3, 7, and 9. For example, adenine A and guanine G. Pyrimidines, heterocyclic, six-membered, single ring structure with N at 1 and 3 position. For example, cytosine C, thymine, and uracil. Cytosine is common in both DNA and RNA. Thymine is present in DNA and uracil is present in RNA at the place of thymine. A polynucleotide chain shows following types of linkage or bond in its components. Number one, N-glycosidic linkage. Number two, phosphoester linkage. Number one, N-glycosidic linkage. A nitrogenous base is linked to the pentose sugar through a N-glycosidic linkage to form a nucleoside. Purine nucleosides have 1-9 glucosidic linkage, carbon 1- of sugar, and 9 position of A-G, adenine-guanine. Pyrimidine nucleosides have 1-1 linkage, that is sugar carbon 1- and 1 position of thymine-cytosine, T-C. Number two, phosphoester linkage. When a phosphate group is linked to Pio-OH, that is hydroxyl, of a nucleoside through phosphoester linkage, a corresponding nucleotide is formed. Two nucleotides are linked through 3-5- phosphodiester linkage to form a dinucleotide. A polymer thus formed has a free phosphate moiety at 5- end of sugar, which is referred as 5- end of polynucleotide chain. Similarly, at the other end of the polymer, the sugar has a free 3-OH hydroxyl group, which is referred to as 3-end of polynucleotide chain. The backbone is a polynucleotide chain. The backbone in a polynucleotide chain is formed due to sugar and phosphates. The nitrogenous base linked to sugar moiety projects from the backbone. Figure a polynucleotide chain with 5-phosphate and 3 hydroxyl, that is OH. Then in the table you can see types of nucleosides in DNA, types of nucleotides in DNA, types of nucleosides in RNA, and types of nucleotides in RNA. Note S and P represent sugar and phosphate respectively. Sugar is ribose, that is C5H10O5 in RNA, and deoxyribose C5H10O4 in DNA. You can see this was all about today's offline class. Thanks.